Free cash flow, the superpower.
The power of free cash flow. Unlock the secret to smart investing. Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my podcast, Market Mantra. I'm your host, Mansi, and today we're diving into something super exciting, the magic of free cash flow. This is the number that every stock market trader needs to know. It's the heartbeat of a company's financial health. So buckle up, because this episode is packed with energy, emotions, and practical knowledge that'll light up your investing journey. Let's get started. What is free cash flow? Let's break it down. Free cash flow is the money a company has left after paying for its operations and necessary expenses like machinery or maintenance. Think of it as the cash in your pocket after paying your bills. The money you can use for whatever you want, like a vacation or a new gadget. For a company, it's the cash they can use to pay dividends, invest in new projects, or pay off debt. My friend Shalini started a small bakery. After paying for rent, electricity, and salaries, the money left was her free cash flow. She used it to open a new branch, and today her bakery is the most famous chain in town. That's the power of free cash flow. Why is free cash flow important? Friends, when you invest in the stock market, you're not just buying a stock. You're buying a piece of a company. And to know if that company is worth your money, you need to check its health. Free cash flow is the ultimate health check. It shows you the real money a company is making, not just paper profits. When I started investing, I only looked at profits and revenue. Big mistake. I once invested in a company with amazing profits, but later found out they had no cash. It was all on paper. The company went bankrupt and I lost my investment. That day I promised myself I'll always check free cash flow. How to calculate free cash flow? Don't worry, I'll keep it super simple. Let's break it down step by step. 1. Operating cash flow. This is the cash a company makes from its core business. You can find it in the company's cash flow statement. 2. Capital expenditure. This is the money spent on things like new machines or factories to keep the business growing. 3. Formula. Free cash flow equal to operating cash flow minus capital expenditure. Example. Let's say ABC company made 10 crore rupees in operating cash flow this year. They spent 3 crore rupees on new machines. Their free cash flow is 10 minus 3, that is 7 crore rupees. This is the cash they can use to reward shareholders or grow the business. How do pros use free cash flow? Professional traders use free cash flow like a superpower. Here are some secrets I've learned from years of studying markets and human psychology. 1. Stability check. If a company's free cash flow is growing steadily, it's a sign of strength. But if it's negative, watch out. The company might be borrowing too much or overspending. 2. Dividend power. Love dividend stocks? Check free cash flow. A company with strong cash flow can easily pay dividends without stress. 3. Growth indicator. Pros compare free cash flow to the company's market value to calculate free cash flow yield. A high yield means the stock might be undervalued, a great buying opportunity. My story. In 2018, I invested in a tech company with a fantastic free cash flow yield. Everyone thought the stock was overpriced, but I trusted the numbers. 2 years later, my investment doubled. That's the magic of free cash flow. Free cash flow and psychology. The stock market isn't just about numbers, it's also about emotions too. I've studied human psychology, and let me tell you, people often get swept away by market hype. They chase shiny stocks without checking the fundamentals. Free cash flow keeps you grounded. It shows you the truth, not the glitter of market news. Example, during the 2008 market crash, I saw people panic selling their stocks, but I checked the free cash flow of a few companies. The ones with strong cash flow recovered quickly. I invested in them, and it was one of my best decisions ever. Mistakes to avoid. 1. Focusing only on profits. Profits can be manipulated on paper, but free cash flow is real. Don't ignore it. 2. Short-term thinking. Look at free cash flow trends over years, not just one quarter. A single year's data can mislead you. 3. Ignoring industry norms. Free cash flow varies by industry. Tech companies have different cash flow patterns than manufacturing firms. Compare within the industry. Mansi's practical tips: how to use free cash flow. 1. Use screeners. Tools like Yahoo Finance, Money Control, or Screener.in let you filter companies with strong free cash flow. Shortlist those with consistent growth. 2. Pick dividend stocks. Want regular income? Choose companies with strong free cash flow and a history of paying dividends. 3. Think long-term. Companies with growing free cash flow are great for long-term investments. Be patient and the rewards will come. 4. Check debt. Strong free cash flow is great, but if the company has too much debt, it could eat up that cash. Always check the balance sheet. My tip, I review a company's balance sheet every quarter. If free cash flow is growing, I invest with confidence. It's my secret formula. Let me share a story about my mentor Uncle Nitin. Back in the 90s, he was a small-time trader. He invested in a company with amazing free cash flow even though the market ignored it. 10 years later, that company was among India's top 10 and Uncle Rajesh became a millionaire. His lesson? Ignore the market noise and focus on free cash flow. Emotional connection. Friends, the stock market isn't just about money. It's about your dreams. Whether you're saving for your kids' education or planning a dream vacation for your parents, free cash flow helps you pick the right companies to make those dreams come true. Every time you check free cash flow, you're taking a smart step towards your future. And that feeling, knowing you're building something real, is priceless. Closing. So, my dear listeners, today we learned what free cash flow is, how to calculate it, and how pros use it to make smart decisions. It's your guide through the maze of the stock market. Use it, make smarter investments, and let your dreams soar. If you love this episode, please like, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. Your support means the world to me. Until next time, stay smart in the market and never stop chasing your dreams. Namaste.